rising right now. It's exactly 7:15. Famous boardwalk right there. Oh, little fishy. Little fishy out here. Here with the famous Soho Beach line. We can come and get married out here. As a matter of fact, there was a wedding yesterday. People are having fun out here. There's a boat right there. Which is pretty cool actually. Trying to get my feet wet because I don't want my feet. I'm gonna try to see if I can get to that big boat right there. Let's see how that works. Whoa! The sea is roaring out like crazy. It's my time out here with my wife in Punta Cana. Today is actually our last full day, like I say. Going back to Canada, but would I come back here? Maybe. I don't know. It was a good experience to be out, that's for sure. Could it be better? I think it's not that expensive, but I also think that you're paying your money, a lot of money for it, so you should be able to to get more of what you're paying for. I think they could do a better job, really. This is a famous Bavaro beach in Skybar. Sun coming out is nice. It's really nice. It's amazing actually. But I think the food is just like, there's There's not much variety. It's pretty much the same thing. We've been here for 5 days. Huh? The food is pretty much the same thing. They could do much. They could do better on the food. That's for sure. I mean, the people they try. The service people they try. You know. But like I say, they can still do. There's still room for improvement on the food side for sure. Pretty much like the same thing over and over again. Which, I mean, for some people it works out fine. And these are the boats where people can actually hide.